I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making the earbuds discoverable and the phone ready. First, confirm the JBL Endurance Peak 3 have charge and are in the case. This prevents unexpected shutoffs. Next, open settings on your iPhone and tap Bluetooth so the list stays active. Then, press and hold the case button until the LED flashes white. That's the signal the headset entered pairing mode. Once done, keep the phone nearby and ready to select the device when it appears. You'll now complete the pairing through the iPhone interface. Once the JBL name appears in the Bluetooth list, tap it. You may see a brief pairing dialog. Accept any prompts so the phone grants audio and microphone access. If you don't see the name, refresh by toggling Bluetooth off then on, or close and reopen the case to reinitiate discoverable mode. Make sure the status changes to connected. This verifies both audio and call profiles are active for immediate use. You'll finish by confirming functionality and knowing how to recover if needed. Play music to test stereo audio and record a quick voice memo to verify the mic. If you don't get a connection, make sure Bluetooth is on, then forget the JBL device in iPhone Bluetooth settings and repair. Alternatively, reset the earbuds by holding the case button for about 10 seconds to clear previous pairings. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and check for an iOS update to resolve compatibility bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.